So thank you very much for having us here. The questions we want to ask are the biggest questions that we can think of. Why is the world the way that it is? Could the world have been any other way than it is? What is the fundamental explanation of space, time, and matter? And where do they come from? What are the organizing principles of quantum field theory and quantum gravity? And can we explain the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics in describing the natural world as we see it around us? Thank you. Gravity is special relativity. This is general relativity, classical general relativity. And the combination of all three of these is quantum gravity and quantum theory of gravity. And this is a big question mark, which we don't know currently. So this would be the unification of all the greatest ideas of the last centuries of physics. The unification we'd like to understand. Good. Apologies for the delay. So the fundamental questions that we would like to address. Why is the world the way that it is? Could the world have been any other way? What is the fundamental explanation of space, time, and matter? Where do these things come from? What are the organizing principles of quantum field theory and quantum gravity? And can we explain the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics in describing the natural world? Because you're immodest, but this is what we would like to do. There's no reason to do easy things. Okay, so gravity, we can understand gravity in the classical general relativistic sense from the Einstein equations. And then there's a standard model, so the quantum field theory of our universe as we understand it for all forces other than gravity. And what we would try to do, we would like to do, amongst other things, but one of the main focuses of the group is to try to merge these two ideas simultaneously. And that is a very, very difficult problem. Why is that a difficult problem? Because a naive attempt to treat gravity as a quantum field theory fails. That there are infinities that we cannot deal with. And perhaps taking a note from the development of quantum field theory and many, many Nobel Prizes, and for example, the dealings of the weak nuclear force, the idea is to smear these interactions to make them finite.